He does like that hat, everything likes like that.
He not a Cowboys fan, or? G'day guys, so we're on the way to Daintree River. First stop you got to do is the Rex Lookout. So we've left the coastline and now we've moved in towards Mossman, just pulling into Mossman now. And probably another 15 minutes to the Daintree ferry. So this is Mossman, we're not going to stop here, no point. Keep moving. Alright, we'll see you on the ferry. Hello, how you going?
Good, thanks. For return journey.
Yeah, thanks.
$31.
Thank you.
That for you for across the river.
Awesome, thank you.
This is your return ticket. Please follow the instructions on top of the ferry.
No worries.
Enjoy your day.
Cheers. So we're at our friend's place, Lync up the Daintree, but unfortunately they've had to close down thanks to COVID. They still have lots of friendly little critters.
My deal is, and it's no bullshit, if she happens to actually get hold of me, it's never happened yet, but you've got to come in and flog her with that. And flog her where? Head. The head's going to be attached to me, you've got to hit it with that. As soon as you start hitting her with that, she will try and hit the water. She'll let me go and go to the water, she won't go aggressive at you. Okay? Theory.
Just to make sure.
Yeah.
There's enough colour.
Watch this, guys.
Now I haven't got the bucket. I don't want her to think I'm feeding her. Get these tripping hazards out of the way. Yeah. Now, long story short, Doris was born in captivity in a croc farm, so she can never be released. Okay. In Australia, you can buy a permit system. You can have a pet crocodile in your house. I don't agree with it. It's not good for the crocodile. You go to the crocodile farm, you pay a permit, you can get a six-week-old hatchling. Okay. It's not good for the crocodile. A baby crocodile's entire world is hiding. People go get this hatchling, they get a glass box, they sit it on their mantelpiece. This poor little croc can't hide, so he frets away. You only have that croc for 1 year, you've got to take it back to the croc farm. If you want to do it again, you pay another permit, get another hatchling, okay? I don't agree with it, it's really narcissistic. They're not a good pet, they don't fetch your slippers or cuddle up to you on the couch. So that's how Doris came into the world. Now, just become a bit closer.
Oh, that's enough for me.
Okay. Now stay there, please. Now, long story short, the crocodile called Boris was in a very sickly way. He was going to get euthanized. Lync put their hand up and said they could take that animal, built this shelter, okay? When Boris turned up here, the person that had been keeping him illegally was only feeding him on scrap meat from the butchers, okay? They need bone, offal, hair, eyeballs, everything of a full animal. When Boris turned up here, he had no teeth whatsoever, okay? The vet didn't know whether his teeth were going to grow back because he'd been calcium deficient for so long. But most of her teeth are grown back. Boris turns up here. He'd actually been kept in a laundry for 7 years, right? Really bad situation for a crocodile. This is an absolute penthouse. He ran him up here, had some fun. And then on this mound here, he dug a nest and laid eggs. So Boris couldn't be Boris anymore. Boris is now Doris. Okay? Now every year she goes through her process, makes those eggs and lays a nest. Now, the nest is infertile. Hello. The nest is infertile, so it's like a chicken without a rooster. Now, where she is now is her most dangerous. Okay? She can now get to there quicker than I can react. So if I'm standing inside that pole, she can get me without me being quick enough to move sideways. Okay? They get 99% of their food in the water and this section out. 99%, 1%. Okay? So the stories of a croc rush running up the beach to have a go at you is exactly that, a story. It simply doesn't happen unless people have fed that crocodile and taught it to do that. Yeah. Very, very stupid thing. The fence.
And you can poke the camera through the square.
Jenga man. Oh, hello. 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 Hello.
So they're not that wild.
This is the big vicious beast, Django. Hello, Django. Hello. Wait. Jenga man. Hello, Miss Nala. This is Nala. Hello, my darling. Hello. Hello. Oh, you want to come up too? You want to come up too?
She's more ladylike. She doesn't jump.
Hello. Hello. These are an unrelated breeding pair of purebred Fraser Island dingoes. Jenga man. Jenga man, come in. Up, up. Hello, good boy. Hello.
That's awesome.
See those big glands there? They are full of poison. Now watch this. You got that in? Got it in there?
Yep.
Watch this.
Oh.
That is all poison, guys. Again.
Don't quite it.
That's crazy.
Won't kill us? No.
It'll make you very, very sick.
To move things away from my kitchen because there's so many things within my kitchen.
Yeah,
It's naughty.
So they looked at the bedroom.
Yep.
That's
I've
right.
got sunscreen on.
Oh,
Everyone has really. So.
everyone's got sunscreen.
Yeah.
On. Yeah. Not that good for them.
Darren has a shirt though that you could put it on.
Yeah. Morty, coastal carpet. I actually go put him in his tree outside.
Do you want to hold it, Ella?
You can't. He's really gentle. He's really. You just want to touch him?
You used to have that one.
I got his head.
Beautiful.
Isn't it cool?
Holding the head. I hold the lizard.
Oh, I got an 80 series cruiser coming in.
It's our Dan, our caretaker.
Yeah.
They look like very fun.
Mint condition 80 series, 385,000 Ks on the clock.
Yep.
Looks bred.
Thornton Beach.
Crocodile.
Look at that water. Should have brought a rod.